Tired of remembering your Chase credit card payment due date every month? If you want to set it and forget it, you're not alone. Today, we're setting up automatic payments for your Chase credit card. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Autopay automatically pays your Chase credit card bill from your bank account each month, ensuring you're never late and avoid fees. Step 1. Navigate to automatic payments. Log into your Chase account and select your credit card. Go to Payments, Automatic Payments, Set up automatic payments. Step 2. Choose your payment amount and date. You can choose to pay the statement balance, to avoid interest, the minimum payment, or a fixed amount. Select your linked bank account and the payment date, usually the due date. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: always pay the statement balance to avoid interest. When setting up Autopay, always select the option to pay the full statement balance. This ensures you never pay a cent of interest, effectively making your credit card a powerful, interest-free short-term loan every month. So, just like that, you can automate your financial health and build a strong payment history. Setting up Autopay goes a long way in maintaining good credit. Now I'm curious, do you use Autopay for all your credit cards, or do you prefer to make manual payments? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.